But now is the AI going to start learning off the AI?
Okay, now.
Because now you have this other information that's out there that was created by AI. And is the AI, are these large language models pulling from that information as well? I don't know.
And you have now put your finger on what they call model collapse.
Collapse.
Mm-hmm. This is what happens when the LLM is now feeding on output it's generated. Right? So now the veracity of the data becomes less and less solid. And so this is one of the things that the architects and the engineers are looking at, like in other words, when they send their tools, the web scrapers out there to collect all this data, they have to somehow or another make those web scrapers intelligent enough to avoid AI generated content, right? And that's an issue right now, and there are white papers being written on it. And again, you start out of all the various aspects of AI, all the things that are in play, like where do you focus your energy on? Like, because there's the AI in education, there's these things, but then there's the actual trustworthiness, because a lot of the public relations side of it is in building trust in these models so that more people will use them, so that the amount of money that's being invested, right? Because you're on the free tier. Well, you're not going to pay $17 or $20 a month if you don't trust it, right? So there's the public relations arm, which is trying to build trust. But in the meantime, you've got the engineers and the architects of these systems that are looking at it and saying, yeah, the trustworthiness is going down because of the amount of AI generated slop that's out there, right? And then you as a user, or me as a user, anybody, are we even aware of the fact that there are these concerns about what they call model collapse? If that's not showing up on your news feed, if it's not entering your little epistemic bubble, you don't even know. So you happily just use and wait. And it's all these kinds of things that now that I finally have my tools working the way that I want them to, now I can dig a little bit more into some of the, because I grabbed a couple of actual white papers. These are the academic, with citations and all that stuff on model collapse that I just put in a folder, on my hard drive. It's okay. When I have some time now, I'm going to open those papers and read them and see if I can, really understand what the heck's going on and how concerned I should be if I'm going to use these tools. Should I be really worried or only a little worried? What strategies can I use knowing that that's a possibility? What strategies can I use to make sure that if I use the tool, that I'm not being led down a garden path? Yeah, it's complicated. I didn't think I was going to have to be like studying so much in my retirement. Yeah. I thought I would be able to kind of relax and just play guitar and hang out with my cats wherever they are.
Yeah.